In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch Bills game on NFL. Let's get started. If you're in the Bills local broadcast market, you can watch many games through local network affiliates. CBS carries many Sunday afternoon Bills game, while Fox, NBC, ESPN, and ABC carry other regular season and primetime matchups. You can also use digital antenna for eligible local broadcasts or choose a live TV streaming service such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, or Fubo depending on which services carry your local channels. If you're outside the Bills local market, your local CBS or Fox station may show a different game during Sunday afternoon windows. In that case, NFL Sunday Ticket is the main option for watching out of market Sunday afternoon Bills game live. Sunday Ticket does not include games that are nationally televised or exclusive to another streaming service, so you will still need to check where those particular games are airing. If you only want to watch on your phone or tablet, NFL Plus can provide live access to eligible local and nationally televised games on supported mobile devices. However, its live game availability and device restrictions differ from Sunday Ticket. So that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.